Deserve Satin Moisture Shampoo is a sulfate-free, clarifying shampoo that is concentrated and gives a deep cleanse. It is great for removing stubborn dandruff and excessive oil buildup. Deserve Satin Moisture Shampoo also removes fillers that block the hair from growing, all while adding moisture to your hair. We also have Deserve Moisture Smoothie Shampoo. Deserve now has a moisture second shampoo that gives a silky feel to your hair. Deserve Silk Milk Restored Conditioner is a thickening conditioner that gives extreme moisture with body and control. It is concentrated and can be used as a co-wash, leave-in conditioner, or deep-rooted conditioner. Paraben and sulfate-free, this hydrating conditioner strengthens the hair and leaves a silky touch. Deserve Silk Milk Restored Conditioner has natural oils that can prevent unwanted split ends while helping to eliminate shedding and breakage. It also conditions, exfoliates, and removes unwanted dandruff on the scalp. Deserve Apple Cider Strengthening Rinse is a detoxifier for your hair. It removes fillers, dandruff, and excessive oils, all while adding strength. Deserve Apple Cider Strengthening Rinse gives body shine, controls frizz, and seals the cuticle layer. Deserve Perfect Performance Foam Wrap Lotion is a concentrated foam wrap for natural or relaxed hair. No itching or flaking. Use just a little for body and shine. Enhance your natural curls or silk out your body wrap with Deserve Perfect Performance Foam Wrap Lotion. Deserve Strand Protectant Treatment Spray is a Fimalide-free amino spray keratin treatment. It is a deep-rooted protein treatment conditioner that eliminates damage during the process of styling or heat. It can be used on all types of hair, chemically treated or natural hair. It travels through the hair shaft, protecting from the environment while strengthening the hair. The keratin protein treatment definitely reverses weak and damaged hair. If your hair is already healthy, it maintains its strength and adds body and longevity in any desired style. Deserve Effective Glossifier gives a beautiful shine and softens your natural or relaxed hair. Spray upwards to mist your entire head. This is the Deserve Derma Roller, a fast way to start the regrow process on your thinning spots. Or for you men looking to grow that beard you've always dreamed of, the 1mm spokes stimulate the scalp and remove a thin layer of skin that blocks hair growth. This makes washing your hair more effective and encourages healthy hair growth. For best results, the product should be used with the Deserve Damage Reversal Elixir 3 times a week. Deserve Damage Reversal Elixir Oil is Deserve's top-selling product. It stops itching while adding moisture. It grows, thickens, and lengthens your hair. Deserve Damage Reversal Elixir Oil also helps men grow their hair and beard. Use 2 times a day, in the morning and before bed. You can also use it as a hot oil and mix with the Silk Milk Conditioner for extra moisture.